Pas talaga siya, guys. Mayroon siyang tipaka dito, guys. Okay, kainin. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, basa na yung kamay ko. Lumalabas din talaga siya, guys. Teka lang po, guys. Okay. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! So today's video guys, ang gagawin natin ay kakain tayo guys na uncooked na itlog. Ayan. Mayroon tayong hinahanda guys na isang tray na itlog. Okay, so tingnan natin kung kaya ba nating ubusin to guys. So ginawa ko to guys kasi tinatanggap ko ang hamon ni Miss Krung Krung Kadama. Okay, ayan sis, tinatanggap ko na ang iyong hamon na kumakain ng itlog na hilaw or uncooked na itlog. O, ito tingnan natin kung kaya ba nating ubusin to o ilan ba ang ating kayang maubos na itlog. May hinahanda akong tubig guys. Sakasakaling hindi natin makaya ang lansa ng ating itlog, umiinom tayo agad ng tubig para hindi ma-frank lahat guys. Ito.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Guys, ito po guys, wala nang laman yung dalawa. Yan, so pangatlo, kain muna tayo guys. Teka lang guys ha. Parang 1, 2, 3. Ano talaga guys? Inom tayo itong tubig guys ha, kasi wala talaga akong malasahan guys sa itlog. Ang na feel ko lang guys yung egg yolk niya guys, or yung yellow na itlog. Parang lalabas siya sa sikmura ko guys. Yung maano talaga ang lansa niya guys. Basta hindi ko ma-explain guys. Oh. Okay, so ano ba, kaya pa ba natin isa guys? Yung tatlo na yung naubos natin guys, oh. Tatlo na. Parang try pa natin guys isa. Ano, kaya pa ba? Sige, isa pa guys. Parang, oh. Ito muna tayo guys. Miss Krung-Krung, kadama, iba talaga yung itlog, parang malapit nang lumalabas sa ko, sikmura ko, Miss Krung-Krung. Iba talaga ka, Miss Krung-Krung. Ah! Lumalabas naman yung Ito guys, yung pang-apat natin na itlog. Parang na yung kamay ko guys, parang napas muna, nagkurog-kurog na guys, kasi parang hindi ko na ayan guys. So atin ang lumalabas talaga siya. Atin ang kakainin yung pang-apat natin na itlog guys. Ayan, tubig lang po yung natin katapat sa ating itlog. Ika lang guys. 1, 2, 3. Talaga guys. Ayan. So naubos ko na yung pang-apat na itlog yung kinakain natin guys. So guys, 4 lang po ang nakaya kong kainin na itlog guys, kasi parang lumalabas na lahat ng kinain ko guys. Okay guys. So tingnan nyo guys, yung naubos natin na itlog is up.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through tough climb, and I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, 'cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. 'Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have.
Parang sumusuko na ako kanina yung pang-apat, pero naisip ko na 5 pala yung challenge niya sa atin. So ating ubusin yung pang-5 guys. Okay, ito po. 1, 2, 3. Ayan guys. Ubos na ubos yung pang-5 guys. Ayan. So, ito po yung pang-5 itlog guys na ubos natin guys. So, thank you for your challenge, Miss Krung Krung Kadama. At nakaya ko yung itlog na 5 na kinain ko buong buo at hindi niluto. Ayan. So, guys, sino pa ang kakasa sa hamon ko? Hinahamon ko kayo guys. So, kumain din kayo ng itlog. So, ang naubos ko is 5. So, ubusin nyo din po 6 na itlog. So, hinahamon ko kayo kung kaya nyo bang kumain ng 6 na itlog na hilaw. Ayan guys. Accept my challenge. Okay, so, that's the end of our eating challenge with uncooked na egg guys. So if you like this video guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo whenever I upload a new videos. Bye guys! Thank you for watching! Bye!
Every week is fashion week for me. Hell yeah.